Friends, Running Kimono here. We're talking about the Dollar General clearance event in this video that will be taking place Friday, July the 31st to the following Thursday, which is August the 6th. Now, keep checking the app to load more digital coupons as the week marches on. I also encourage you to load coupons that we're going to be discussing in this video. Scout your store. Make a little budget and the amount of gas that you're going to use for this, meaning if you're driving to, 18 stores and there's really nothing, is this worth your time? You're going to have to go and scout your stores. Pay attention that first day that items are ringing up properly at the register. Sometimes that first Friday, even though it is a clearance item, it might not ring up properly. I believe there's going to be 3 more clearance events, another one on Labor Day, another one on Columbus Day in October, and then one in November. They seem to have one every single month. And this is the additional items that are going to be 70% off. But for this video, we're looking at clearance items with digital coupons. The last couple events, because they've been putting them back to back to back, a lot of people are just not interested. Kind of music to my ears because I have been scoring really big at a lot of the clearance events. So, if you want to put a bit of love and care into this and you have a bit of patience and time, you can really get a lot. Even if they keep running these events back to back to back, there's always stuff to be found. Another quick question I'm going to answer is, yes, you can use the 5 off 25 on Friday and Saturday with the clearance merch. And we have a 10 back when you spend 30. If you can find up to $30 of, P&G products, yes, it works with clearance merch as well. Another thing that's very smart to do is to be on the lookout for penny items. A lot of times it can be in the back and they bring everything to the front, especially a lot of treats and stuff. This one expired, so they don't even have to sell it to you. But a lot of these penny items, be on the lookout for them. Okay, let's hop right into it. I'm going to show you the digital coupon and then give you the math. That will start on the 31st, which is Friday. We're going to load this friend, which is a 5 off of 3. We're going to find 3 of these toothpaste. A lot of clearance sections seem to have them in my area. After that 5 off of 3, it's going to be 40 cents for the 3. For Crest, I think that's a very good price point. And here is the UPC. This is a DG cashback, so you pay the full amount and then you will get your 50 cents back for buying 2 of these with a limit of 1 time if it's still there on Friday. There's this Iams kitten food, so 2 of them would be $1.30, and after your 50-cent cashback, it's like getting them for 40 cents each, and I'll show you the UPC here in a quick second. So yeah, if you have the time to really put a lot of love and care into this and you have the time to look around, you're not rushing, you potentially can find a lot of stuff on the cheap. That's how I've noticed it in the past. And we have this $2 for the Dove deodorant. There's a lot of deodorants that are just living rent-free in the clearance section because nobody wanted to buy them. We have this Zero aluminum, I think this one. After that coupon, it's $1.37. And I'll be really honest, if you go onto the Walgreens app and just look up any sort of Dove deodorant, it is expensive. One product that's almost like doubled in price in the last couple years. We have a little 50 center for the Ivory deodorant, and see how it says $10.30 for the P&G. This would be part of it if you could track one of these down. It would be 50 cents after that digital coupon. So, why not stock up on some deodorant? Make that happen. And here's the UPC. And then probably my most favorite deodorant deal is with the Suave. And this is one that's been in the clearance section for the last many events. We have this $1 digital coupon. So I'm assuming it'll work on any Dove clearance deodorant. But this, I think it's like a men's one. It is $1.35 starting on Friday. And after that coupon, Stress Protect, it'll be 35 cents, which is a very good price point. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing those. Okay, and here's the UPC. Again, I'm not going to bingo call every single product, but I'm just showing you the best that I found. And yes, I did go to a couple Dollar Generals and peep through the clearance section. I'm not giving you all old stuff, and some of this stuff might be harder to find. We have a 75 cent here, and this little friend, the last couple it's been in, I don't think there was a coupon the last time. 92 cents, not a bad price point for this concentrate cleaner. We have this $1.50 digital, and you can see that in the picture there's one with it's called Shed Shield with a dog and cat. This has been clearanced out for a while. After everything's said and done, it's going to be 62 cents, which is a really great price point. So I would definitely load that coupon. Why not? And here's the UPC. I've never used it, but a lot of people really enjoy this Suavitel softener. It's always sold out at my store. And we have this $2 digital. There's a liquid foundation and then this little compact one. And I think in the last couple one we had $3 ones, making it almost free, but it would be $1.27 for these little compacts. And there's also a liquid one. And as the week marches on, there will be more digital coupons that you can load, and the following Sunday more coupons to load as well. And potentially it could be even better. So I would definitely, keep your eyes peeled on that app. I would be on the app all the time. We have this cash back for $1 when you buy 2. There is a cinnamon one. I know this is a tall order to find. One store around here has a bunch still. I think they had a box of them in the back, but it would be $2.15 for the 2 after everything is said and done. And here is the UPC. Okay, so let's look at some diapers now. We have this 3 off of 2, and yes, this is a P&G product, so it's working with the 10 back when you spend 30. And this little friend with the little My Little Ponies. I think there was also one with Peppa Pig that was part of this, but after the coupon, it would be $8.25 for the 2 bags, and here is the UPC. Some stores have pulled a bunch of these into the clearance section, which is really odd, but I just saw that a couple days ago. And we also have these Loves with the Paw Patrol, and we have a 2 off of 2. And it's also part of the spend 30 to earn back 10. And this is the one, Paw Patrol. I think there was one too with that bluey dog. I don't know what that's from. It's not Paw Patrol. But after the coupon, it's 6 for 2 or $3 per bag, which is a really great price point. And if you're going to use that 5 off 25, it would make it even better if you were going to get a larger basket. So just something to think about, guys. And I have 2 of these $3 digitals for the Airwick. There is a Hawaiian liquid or that scent oil and the plug. It would make it completely free. I think it's like $1.90, so that $3 coupon will get reduced down to cost. But make sure you have both of those friends loaded, and here it is. Don't be shy to really look through that clearance section because that's where I was finding it during the last clearance event. And nothing wrong with getting a free little air care. We have a 75-cent digital, and even though this really large Palmolive has been clearanced out for the last couple cycles, it seems like they keep putting it on shelves near me. It's a 32-ounce bottle, I believe. 32.5 ounce. After that coupon, it's $1.02. It's a massive bottle. I'm still working through one from a couple months back. I have a dishwasher, guys. I'm not gross, in case you're wondering. Now, it's funny that sometimes some of these razors, I would load all the razor coupons in case some more show up in the clearance section. But with this one, this razor's been in and out of the clearance section. Like, it's there and it's not there, and then I find them, which is really odd. It would make this guy completely for free after the coupon. And so I'm just giving you the visuals, what to look for. And yes, clearance section is where I was finding it. And another friend in the clearance section is a Schick razor. And we have this that would also make it completely free. So make sure you load it. And it's the men's razor. Honestly, guys, I prefer men's razors over the women's. They seem to last a little bit longer, but it's this Extreme 5, which is 2 razors, and one store had a huge amount, so I'm definitely going to shimmy back there to get some more cheap razors. And here's the UPC. Scan it off the video. I know that's not really legible. I don't know what happened. Now, we're going to just have a little bit of fun here. If this summer food is part of it, which I really wish it would be, but it might not be. But at the last minute, They might change everything. It might be like a Nora Ephron movie where we'll fall in love at the last minute and everything will be perfect. I hope you guys are laughing. But something like that, Kool-Aid, Pool-Aid, and the Charcoalberry, these two, there's $1 back on Ibotta. If the $1 back is still there, you'd pay $1.47, and then you'd have to obviously connect your Ibotta and your Dollar General account. It would be 47 cents after everything's said and done. I know I have a couple nieces and nephews that would absolutely love this. So if Aunt Rach can track that down for 47 cents. Again, I'm reaching for this one. I don't know if it'll be half price, but it should be. It's summer food. Wouldn't that be nice? But something to keep an eye out for at the Dollar General. This guy found right at the front for 55 cents. If you're doing a 5 off 25 basket and you just need an extra thing, most stores haven't even pulled this. And here's the UPC. It's still found right at the front, which is kind of odd. And again, that 70% off list at the front, the As Seen on TV and the home stuff, if that's your interest, get a $25 basket of that with the 5 off 25. It would be $20. Dixie Summer, $2.12 for this. We'll have to wait and see on Friday what that rings up for, but another item I would definitely keep my eye out for. As the week keeps marching on, load those coupons, and if you're into this, Friday's going to be a great day. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.